They let me in. I got him. Look good, Jit. Look, y'all, that's my little Jit right there. My dog. Look, y'all. I gotta sneak the keys back on the truck. Damn, bro, you gonna sleep all day? You gonna sleep all day? Nigga, get up, nigga. You gonna sleep all day, bro? Hell yeah, pay for another hour. Another hour? You tired? Yeah. Man, you pussy, bro. Nah. Okay, cool. How am I get him up? How am I gonna get him up? Y'all gotta help me. What I'm supposed to do? What you finna do? What's up? You trying to take me to get a haircut or what?
Where?
At Thirds. At Third, shit. You trying to drop me out real quick? Huh? Bro, you trying to drop me off real quick?
I don't know. 5 or 6 times over a month or two.
Huh?
We weren't having sexual relations, if that's what you're getting at.
Bro, it's Saturday, fam. Get the fuck up, nigga. You gotta get up, bro.
I'll admit that it's attractive.
I'm finna get him. Yeah, sorry. Real Deshaun TV in the building. I got him. I'm gonna tell him to take me to get a haircut. Boom, he gonna look outside. No car. Damn, bro, where's my car? What the fuck you mean, where your car? Somebody hotwired your shit, cuz. That's what I'm gonna say. Somebody hotwired your shit, cuz. You gotta watch these niggas out here. I ain't cutting this off. Y'all gonna see. What good, little brother? I can get a ride? Oh, that nigga done farted. Shitty booty. Shitty, man. Damn, little bro, I need a ride. Like, for real, bro. What you ain't trying to fuck with me? My hair looking all raggedy and shit.
Yes, ma'am. I had got a call from this number at 11.
So hot. What we gonna do? What's in here to drink? Eat on. It's like ocean spray. Yeah. If you don't know about that ocean spray gonna spray. You feel me? Ocean spray gonna spray. Let them turn me up because I know this finna be a crazy banger. So I'm ready. Good morning, America. This shit about to be crazy. My life about to be crazy. All right, my bad. Go back to sleep. My bad. I'm a little too excited, huh, guys? I'm a little too excited.
Davion, D-A-V-I-O. Yes,
bro. Bro, what you doing?
Yes, ma'am, I got you. Thank you.
Can I get a ride, G? Huh? All you gotta do is put your slides on. I'll get my own ride back. Yeah. That cool? Yeah, my little brother gonna get married right. He love his big brother, you feel me? Let me get my charger. Yeah, shit, just in case. Tell him, bro. You love your big brother, huh?
Bro, shut the fuck up.
Who? Bro, that's your key, fam.
I'm trying to make sure.
Like, damn. Nigga love his big brother.
Well, hold on, I gotta use the restroom.
Yeah, use the restroom? Use the restroom there, my nigga. He don't even know what he walking into. This shit finna be a lot. My hair look cool. I'm finna get a haircut though, like, so you know. But niggas stop. I whoop one of you niggas. Nah, I just playing. Yeah. Nigga, I told y'all my first prank. Banger. All we're doing is dropping bangers all summer, so if you ain't with me, look, young CEO, you feel me? If you ain't with me, this was a gift. This was a gift from one of y'all little bitches out there. I ain't gonna tell y'all which one. This was a gift though. But yo, nah, it wasn't a gift. It wasn't a gift. That's cause y'all stay in my business. Y'all stay in my business. Y'all got to know everything. That's why I don't tell y'all everything. But let go. Do I look like a YouTuber? Like, do I look like I could be like a famous YouTuber? Like, fuck it. I don't care. I'ma be one. That's on folk. How y'all doing? That's on the folk. Darn funny. You know what I mean? And then nigga taking a poop, nigga. You got a doo-doo? Come on, nigga. Let's get this shit. Let's get this shit. Over here in that stand, y'all. I'm being something way harder than that. That's why I ain't trying to rush to get a whip, none of that. Like, I mean, like, you need a car. I done have a few cars, so you know what I'm saying. I know how to live without a car right now, but I wrecked them. Shit, I always wreck. That mean I can't drive, or they can't drive. Right now, we gonna stick with what they can't drive. You feel me? But I always wreck. That must mean I need to move. Damn, bro. That son hitting a nigga today. You don't even look like you from around here. But you from around here, though. You don't even look like you from around here, though. But you from around here, though. You from around here, though. This ain't what you want, little dog. Hey. Man, come on, I need that fresh fade, little boy. I need that fresh fade. Nigga got me out here looking crazy. Let me see that shit, man. Shit, butt. It don't matter though. That ain't what my video about. The drink, nah. So look, peep. Let's get back to business. You know what I'm saying? We gonna walk this way. We're gonna walk down these stairs. Boom, right here. Now my little brother's car usually parked either right here or right here. He not gonna see that John. He gonna be like, bro, where the fuck the car at? I'm gonna be like, what the fuck you mean? Like, what you mean? I'm gonna be like, bro, the car gone for real? We need to call mama or something. No, he gonna call my mama. He love my mama. He like a mama's boy, so she gonna be like, what you mean? Be like, what you mean? Then we gonna just, you know what I'm saying, see if we can find it around the block or something. You feel me? We probably not gonna find it. So, yeah, you feel me? I know y'all liking this idea. Y'all finna love it. You locked the door? Bet you got your car key? Bet, come on. My God. Say what's up to YouTube.
Man, what's up, man?
How you feeling? I'm tired.
I'm feeling like the hitman.
The hitman?
Yes,
Ooh.
Well, where the fuck my whip at?
What?
Nigga, where the fuck my whip at, bro?
I don't know, bro.
Hell nah. Hell nah.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Hell nah. I'm blood.
I'm blood what? Nigga, what you?
Bro, where the fuck?
What the fuck? This nigga shit gone.
Man, hell nah.
Bro, and your keys and your... Oh, nah.
Oh, my car, folks.
You gotta call mama, fam.
My shit can't even get towed.
You gotta call mama, fam.
I bought
On the Saturday?
Bro, where the fuck my whip at, bro?
I was just vlogging. I was just doing a normal vlog. This nigga car gone for real. Look at her.
What the fuck? Damn.
Nah, we gotta make some blocks, fam. We gotta walk around some blocks, fam. Cause hell nah, fam.
Hell nah.
Hell nah, it's right. Hell nah, I need that haircut. So hell nah. Hell nah. This shit stupid.
I drove that hoe back here though, right?
Yeah, last night you picked me up. But you like your dogs?
Damn, I don't know.
They got a camera here? Where the office?
Well, I don't even think we got no damn office.
Ah, we in fucking trouble.
Mama.
Who you calling mama?
Yeah. Mama. Hey, you know where my car at?
This nigga done lost a car.
Huh?
This nigga lost his own damn car.
My car. I can't find my car.
Mama, the car gone. Somebody. Mama.
I think so. I can't even.
Mama.
I can't find my car.
The car not here.
That don't make no sense unless somebody stole it.
He said he left the door unlocked too. Bro, why you leave the door unlocked?
God damn.
Did you have money in it?
You got money in there?
Nah.
It probably was like $1 in there.
Nah, it probably was. I think it was $100 in there, but that ain't.
Swear to God, this nigga locked the car with $100.
Damn.
Oh my God, bro. What we gonna do, bro? Hey, he over there tripping out, bro. I done got his ass. He done called my mama and shit. Shit. Hey, let's go walk some blocks, bro. Come on. Fuck that. We finna find this hoe, y'all. Bro, come on. We gotta find your car.
Bro.
Come on.
My last day smoking.
Bro, you left your car at your girl crib?
Hell nah.
No. Alright, good.
Huh? Yeah, I drove it home.
You drove it home? Yeah, you drove it home.
Yeah, I didn't get dropped off.
Yeah, we didn't get dropped off over here. Damn.
I don't know how they started it.
Damn.
I was finna.
Bro, you know them crackheads know how to hot wire though.
Yeah, we live. Yeah.
Damn, it's too hot.
I was gonna take mine to get a haircut, but I came downstairs. My car gone.
The car just gone. We outside with it.
Bro, where is my car?
Bro.
Where is my car?
Hey, have y'all seen the white Mustang? Yeah, like, he lost his car. Damn. Appreciate it. Damn. Bro, what we gonna do? How we gonna get your car?
Somebody finna die.
Somebody finna die?
Man.
Somebody finna die? Bro, we can't kill him. We just need to find your car.
Ah, fuck that. Bro, my bad, mama.
We just need to find your car.
Mama, hold on. Let me call you back. This crazy. Huh?
Now you don't have a ride.
I know.
Mama, we gonna find it though. It gotta be this way, bro. Cause like, no, yeah. The crackhead.
It could be anywhere.
No, the crackheads ain't gonna go that far, fam. This way, I swear. Crackheads ain't gonna go that far, fam. Come on.
What if my shit in the alley or something?
Nigga, at least we found it in the alley. What you mean?
I hope somebody in that mug. We might as well.
We about to fight him?
We might as well.
Might as well. Huh.
Oh, my.
My little brother live with them hands too. Y'all better not have his car. Y'all better not have his car.
How the heck?
Hey, let me talk to mama.
Bro.
Hey, mama, where you at?
What the hell?
You on your way back home? Dang. Why you on your way back home for? How far you is?
Oh, man.
How much was it, ma?
Bro, they might be.
Here, go this way, cause there be dogs over there. I'm scared of dogs. All right, mama, we trying to find this car.
Any dog popped out, I'm hitting it in this shit.
Here, Dada, your phone. Bro, this is crazy though. They on the regular, look. Whew. Normal Saturday. My nigga car not here.
Man, hold on. I'm finna
Ask who?
I'm finna make a video on Snapchat talking about.
Is they seeing your car?
Yeah.
For real? Let me make one on my Instagram, cause I got a lot of people on my Instagram, and my Instagram be jumping. My nigga Mustang gone.
Is that you?
Where?
Where? Like it's really gone?
Nigga, I'm right here housing me. No, he right there. Crazy woman. I was just doing a normal vlog. Then he just started saying the Mustang gone. So when we went outside, the Mustang really gone.
Why are you recording me?
I've been recording it the whole time.
Where are your car keys at?
He got them.
No, I got my
How you get here so fast? You ran here? Hey, how you get here so fast, bro?
My car!
Where your car at? Look at my
So what do you
sister,
wanna
y'all.
do?
I love my sister, y'all. She come fast when something happens. What is he supposed to do?
Yeah, what am I supposed to do?
What you supposed to do, gang? Tell her.
I got all your fucking car information at my house.
Oh, trying to go to my sister's house.
How long has it been gone?
Nigga, this morning,
I just woke
we was,
What the?
I told him to take me to get a haircut.
I woke up at like 1.
I told him to take
Did
me to
y'all report it stolen?
Not yet. We can't report it stolen.
Can't.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to jail. You got warrants? I don't know if I got one. I don't got no warrants.
It's really gone because I'm finna report it stolen. Like I'm
paid.
finna lost.
Yes.
I paid
The
my
car.
warrant.
Huh?
I paid my warrant.
Me too.
Yeah.
The car really gone. Hey, y'all ain't seen no Mustang? Damn. Damn. All right, I ain't gonna lie. I'm pranking them, but you can't tell them. Look, they scared, y'all. They scared, y'all. They don't know where the car at. Damn, she left work to go do They don't know. Nobody know where the car at, but hey, chill. It's all gonna work out. When we all famous, don't worry about it. This is gonna be the #1 prank on YouTube. Nigga, it's at Chio's parking lot. I walk back. Nigga. Yes, sir. Hey, when you think I should tell him? It's been a good 20 minutes. Hey, when you think I should tell him?
You owe me fucking gas money, bitch.
When you think I should tell him? When you think I should tell him right now? Huh?
Don't leave me alone.
Hey, when you think I should tell him? I think I'm cold at this pranking. I think I'm cold. The YouTube shit. She already called it live, bro.
Man, let me go shut the door.
Yeah, go lock the door and shut it up, bro. And get my phone out the charger, bro. Look. So all I need you to do, drive up this street right here. I'm be like, damn, what the fuck? That's the Mustang right there. You gonna stop?
I'm fucking shaking him on.
And we gonna say, that ain't run to the Mustang. You shaking? You thought the car was gone? Look, we gonna say, hey, that ain't the Mustang right there. Run to the Mustang. That ain't run to the Mustang. Then we gonna get out. We both gonna run to the Mustang. But I got y'all though. Huh? Y'all thought the car was gone. She shaking. Look, she scared, mad. She thought we had to go kill somebody for my little brother's car. It's okay, Tay. This is my job. This is my job. This is my job. This is my job. This is what I do. 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 This is what I do.
They got this in the tow truck.
Where?
Past it.
Oh my God, they probably wrecked your car
Man,
and towed it.
had a Nissan on it. I
Oh.
was scared for the motherfucker. I was like,
Ooh, I'm scared for you, bro.
oh my shit.
I'm scared for you. It's too hot for this. It's too hot for this. Tay got here too fast, huh? It's too hot. So y'all alright? Y'all alright there? Everybody cool? We cool. Y'all just chill. Y'all just chill. Where the Mustang? Go straight. Not right now, but shit. Where the Mustang at, Tay? Damn, this shit crazy. Alright, then when you can go back left, just go. So at that one right there, just go back left right there.
Where the fuck am I going?
We just trying to see where the Mustang at. Dang, we gonna put some gas in your car, Tay. Don't worry about it. We trying to find the Mustang. It's gonna be alright. Sure, there's somewhere around here. They can't go too far. They can't go too far.
Dede, you find somebody in your car, you better beat that motherfucking ass.
Yeah, he sure better. Beat they motherfucking ass. Alright, now go left right here. Bang a left. Bang a left right here.
And bet the fuck not.
Bang a left right here. We good, y'all. Why y'all wanna do violence? Violence is not the answer. Go straight. Hey, you ain't seen the white Mustang? For real? You know him? Damn, Dede. What we gonna do, little bro?
Man, I don't know, bro. This should need to come up in an hour.
In an hour. Hey, have you seen a white Mustang?
I haven't.
I appreciate it. We're trying to find it. Hey, cut out the Mustang right there. Hold on, what the fuck?
That is my shit. That shit hanging
That's your shit?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Bro, no way, that's the Mustang right there.
Let me go. I ain't going in this house. See if somebody drove my shit.
Where? Right here?
Yeah.
Nigga, let's go see if somebody stole it. Nigga, come on, hold on. Fuck that. Nigga, look, nigga, the Mustang right there. What the fuck? Hey, you got your key?
Yeah.
Nigga, let's go in here. Nigga, let's go see.
Hold on.
Let's go see, bro. The Mustang is right here.
What the fuck?
Fam. Let's go see, fam. What the fuck? You trying to go see? Fam, we gotta go see what's going on.
Damn.
Oh, come on, fam. Cause that shit crazy. That's your car for sure?
Yeah.
Alright. Shit.
Somebody dropped their shoes too.
Alright, shit. Hey, question?
Somebody dropped their keys outside.
Y'all work here?
Yes, I do.
Alright.
Do y'all know who drove that white Mustang?
That white Mustang right there?
Yeah.
Right there?
Cause somebody.
It was parked right there. We've been looking for it for like an hour. We just found it.
Yeah, somebody had stole it and drove it up here.
Did y'all see anything? No? All right. Hey, I appreciate that.
Thank y'all.
Appreciate it. They don't know shit in there. But look, the good thing is we found the Mustang.
Yeah,
Right?
Yeah.
So shit, let's just get in that hole and go back to the crib.
Damn.
Fuck it.
Damn, I wanted to catch somebody in my shit.
It's alright, bro. It's alright, bro. Come on, let me in, bro. It's alright, bro. Nah, we got the Mustang, man.
Alright.
Hey, Tete, love you.
My phone in there?
They gonna hate me for this. They might love me for it, though. They either gonna hate me or love me. Which one? Can't do both.
Boy, what the fuck?
Everything still good, though?
Hell yeah.
Everything still good and crispy, though? This motherfucker. My little brother happy now.
Man.
That shit crazy. Been walking around in this heat. Stupid. Y'all love Deshaun TV?
I was too fucking really in charge.
Appreciate you, bro. All right, bro. Would you be mad if I told you I pranked you, bro?
Nah, that for nothing, you mean?
Would you be mad, bro, if I told you I pranked you, bro?
In 300-degree weather?
What happened, bro?
Bro,
Tell them what just happened, bro.
it's too hot to be playing like that, bro. Somebody was really gonna get hurt.
What? I ain't saying I pranked you. I said, would you be mad if I did?
Hell yeah.
I don't know, bro. Can you take me to the crib, bro?
This one I'm fucking
For it. I don't gotta go get a haircut right now, bro. Fuck it. You gonna take me to the crib, bro? It is hot, bro. Nah, bro. I pranked you, fam.
Man. That shit crazy.
You still love, bro?
Yeah, that shit
You
crazy.
still my guy, fam?
I thought my shit was gone.
You thought this shit was
Yeah.
gone, though. Look.
Tay-Tay married that shit.
And then Tay pulled up. Ooh, that shit was looking crazy when my sister pulled up on.
Yeah.
Like, where the car at? I got the car, though. Oh, oh, we done did the food out here. We were walking around. He posted on it. Look, now let me see the snap he posted, bro. Oh, no. Oh my God.
I just woke up in my motherfucking car gone, man. Hey, y'all seen a white Mustang, man?
Oh my God, that shit was crazy. So I'm really going to this shit. That shit was crazy.
No seatbelt on while I'm driving. Got it short a second on me cause the codeine all beside me. Throwing up that pitch for